Hello and welcome back. So just to teach you the Yellowbird alto part, that's why I'm here. It's similar to the tune. The tune would be up here. Yellowbird. We're going down a third. Yellowbird up high in banana tree. So try that. And then we have a little extra bit that goes banana tree. We sing banana tree again. So we go, yellow bird up high in banana tree, banana tree. Okay, so we do two banana trees. And then we go, yellow bird, you sit all alone like me, alone like me. So we do the same thing. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me, alone like me. You can really mark those parts as well. Alone like me. And then we do an arpeggio pattern, but we don't go all the way up. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad. Makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. So that's the same as the tune, the end. You're more lucky than me. There might be some ladies that like to sing up high and they'll be going, you're more lucky than me, which is also open to this part if your range extends that far. But otherwise the tune, one, you're more lucky than me. So all of that section goes, did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. One, you're more lucky than me. 2, 3, 4. Yellow bird up high in banana tree, banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me, alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. Cha cha cha. For the end. If you want to, you don't have to cha cha cha, but it's hard not to. Brilliant. That's all of it. That's all you need to know. If you go back to the original video, I'm there. A version of me is singing that part in it. Yellow bird up high in banana tree, banana tree. So you can sing along with me, and I hope you enjoy doing so. Thank you very much.